I want to bring in now somebody who was in the courtroom actually for those arguments, Kerri Kupec Urbahn, Fox News legal editor. Tell me what you heard today and what you saw.
Well, the bottom line question that both sides were vigorously arguing about is, can a president be prosecuted for acts once he or she leaves office for acts conducted during that time? And obviously the president, the former president, says no, he should enjoy and should be able to, that absolute immunity is afforded to presidents for official acts conducted while in office. And the Department of Justice says no. Both sides were subject to pretty heavy questioning from the judges, the three-judge panel there. One judge asked the Trump defense team, well, what happens if the president asked a SEAL 6 team to assassinate a political enemy? Would the president be immune from prosecution then? On the other hand, one of the judges asked DOJ, well, what happens if we do issue the opinion the way that you want us to, that a president is not immune for conduct during the time that he or she was in president? Won't that open the floodgates for potential political prosecution and persecution?
Oh, are they thinking Biden?
And well, the point being that if any court issues an opinion saying that a president can be prosecuted for acts conducted while in office, a political enemy could use that opinion in a campaign or the time after, right? So, of course. And so
the only other president that we have right now that might be facing anything, as we're watching Congress dig deeper and deeper in their investigations, Republicans in the House, would be the current president, Joe Biden. So that's why I ask. And 8 or 9 members of his family under scrutiny, too.
And that's the point that Trump's defense team made as well. The former president sat at counsel's table. He was pretty stoic the entire time. He sat forward. He was leaned in. He was engaged. He occasionally talked to counsel on his left. And I have to tell you, Harris, I thought the three-judge panel was somewhat skeptical of the Department of Justice's arguments. You could tell they were concerned about precedent that they would set if they said a president is not immune from prosecution for acts conducted during office. They also obviously are wrestling with what does in fact though happen if a president, say, commits some kind of crime while in office. Well, what happens after that? But I certainly walked away from there not thinking that they had landed anywhere in particular, but that they themselves are wrestling with it as well.
Well, look, Kerri, everybody's reputation's on the line here. Everybody's. So they know they have to get this right, whichever way it comes.
That's right.
Yeah, they're on the line, too. Great to see you. Thank you very much. Great reporting, Kerri.
Hey, everyone. I'm Emily Campagno. Catch me and my co-hosts Harris Faulkner and Kayleigh McEnany on Outnumbered every weekday at 12 p.m. Eastern, or set your DVR. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the Fox News YouTube page for daily highlights.